What's up with the YouTube Legit Sully? Back at you with another video. Now, I know what you're saying. Man, where have you been? Man, look, your boy been busy with work, school, being a father, being a husband, you know, all of the above. But that's no excuse. Want to apologize to all my subscribers out there, man, because I know y'all felt like I left y'all hanging, but we are back in full effect. Man, with all that being said, if you're new to the channel, this is your first time here, man, we on our way to hit 1K, so stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can become a part of Team Sully. Now, we almost there, man. We almost to our goal of 1K. You know, last time I checked, I think we was at like 770 something. So yeah, we climbing, man. We almost up there, man. Yeah, but I just want to say I appreciate y'all, you know, that's been rocking with me, you know, from the beginning. Appreciate y'all that's rocking with me now. Man, hey, we finna take the channel to new heights. You know, I just also want to give a shout out to my bro Unbreakable Kicks, man, for this dope hoodie. Man, these things are A1 quality, man. UBK right now, he got some of the dopest merch out there right now, man, when it comes to the sneaker community, man. You know, the stitching is great. You know, the color is great. You know, the quality, you know, it's real nice, thick cotton. It's not none of that old cheap material, you know, that you you know, get from other places, man. But I know y'all came here to see the shoe, so guess what? We finna see the shoe. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Ayah! Here we go, man. In my hand, you see we got the reverse box. You know, I call this the reverse box because the regular Air Jordan 1 box is all black with red writing. This one is all red with black writing. So yeah, that's henceforth the reverse box. Let's go ahead and read the label. Now this isn't a personal pair. This here is a size 5 in women's, which is equivalent to a, well, I believe a 6.5 in men. 6.5 in men, I think. I think that's how you do the conversion. No, women is higher. So a size 5 in women is like 3.5 in men. 3.5, 4-ish in men. So colorway reads Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG. Colorway is white, black, aurora green. Let's go ahead and get these things out the box. Boom, flip over the lid. You see you got your quality control stamp right there. Receipt from, you know, picking it up from the mall. Man, here we go. Here we go. Let's get the shoe out the box. Bam! Ooh, this thing here is nasty. This thing here is nasty. These are going to be pretty tough to get in the bigger sizes, man, but these things are nasty. But so let's go ahead and get to a full detailed review of the shoe. Bye! Here we go. Y'all know how we gonna do it over here. Ain't nothing changed. We gonna start at the bottom. You got your all black outsole here. As you can see, every Air Jordan 1 has the same outsole. You seen one Air Jordan 1, you pretty much seen them all as far as the outsole go. Moving on up to the midsole, you got your white wrapped all the way around the midsole, which is, you know, pretty decent. Like now here 2020 we starting getting white on our Air Jordan versus that sail colorway that we've been getting, you know, in the past. Moving along to the upper on your medial side of the shoe, you know, you got the white inside the panel right here. You got your black swoosh. And as well on the other side, you got your white on the panel on the lateral side, and then your black swoosh. And then moving along to the toe box, you got your all black toe box. Now the quality on this leather is super buttery, man. You got that tumble leather that everybody loves on the Air Jordan 1s. And yeah, you got the black on the toe box, and on the front of the toe box you have that tie-dye colorway, that aurora green. And this right here is is pretty dope. Like the texture of the shoe is like it's not canvas. I don't want to say it's canvas, but it's kind of like let that focus, like it's not really a jean material, but it's almost like a rugged type of nubuck, or different texture of canvas type material. It's really hard to explain this type of material on this shoe, but this shoe here is dope. You got the black Air Jordan 1 wings logo on the heel tab. You got that same tie-dye Aurora green all throughout the shoe. You got your black tongue on the shoe. You got your white Nike Air up here, white pull tab on the tongue with your black writing, and then also you got your shoe tree right here. Shoe tree right here says 3.5 to 4.5, but this shoe is a size 5, so I'm guessing all these shoe trees are like standard for men, because like I said, this is a women's 5.5. I mean, this is a women's 5, which is equivalent to a 3.5 in men. So let's go ahead and pull out the other shoe so you can get a good look at both shoes. Bam! Here is the left shoe, and as you can see, the left shoe, the tie-dye patterns are different on each shoe. The tie-dye patterns on this shoe, you see you got this big burst right there, and you don't right here. So yeah, the tie-dye patterns are different on each shoe, and yeah, man, that's pretty dope, man. I wonder if it's like that on every single pair, or if just each pair has its perspective color. Now also inside the sock liner, you have this satin sock liner. I realize most of your women Jordans, they've been coming with this satin sock liner, the Jordan 1s to be specific. Also, you got your black insole with the white Nike Air writing, man. These here is dope. These here is dope, man. So like I said, man, I'm back, man, in full effect. You know, we finna get this thing popping, man. We here. First, I wanted to bring y'all this dope Air Jordan 1 review. What y'all think, man? These released locally and on foot sites on the 26th. Sneakers did get pushed back to the 29th. Man, let's pray for a dub in my personal size. But what y'all think, man? Will y'all be going after these? Were y'all able to cop these on release day as far as all the foot sites, man? Let me know. Put it in the comments below, man. And like I said, go ahead, hit that like button, man. Hit that thumbs up, man. It's gonna help the channel out, man, because we finna start growing, man. We got some big things coming. We got giveaways coming, man. So if you want to be a part of it, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, man. Also, let's get this video to 20 likes. I know we can get it to 20 likes. Let's get it to 20 likes. Also, follow me over there on IG at Legit Sully, because that's pretty much where I do my giveaways. I go live, you know, do giveaways like that. So if you want to be notified whenever I decide to go live, follow me on IG. And I always say, you know, tomorrow is not promised, so take advantage of today. Until next time, it's Legit Sully, Air Jordan 1 tie-dye. I'm out of here.